In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now reach wallpaper. Click on My Wallpapers or Gallery, it's up to you, from whichever album you would like to pick your wallpaper from, and I will go with My Wallpapers. And now just pick the one that you would like to cover your screen with. So let me choose, for example, this one. And now decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, your lock screen, or both home and lock screens. It's up to you. And I will pick this third option. Here you've got the layout, so you can smoothly check if they look properly. You can also turn off automatic sync, edit, and okay, actually you cannot zoom it in or out, but if there will be something to customize, you will be able to do it for both home screen and lock screen all together, or just for each of them. And then just click on Set on Home and Lock Screens, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, wallpaper has been applied, and from now you've got this brand new wallpaper and also lock screen. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.